Hi guys, this week we're launching our new program at CET King. So this Monday at 6 p.m. we're launching our new batch. So in case you want to join, you can just call the numbers given here. Yeah, just call these numbers. Or in case you want to attend the demo lecture, we're also keeping a demo lecture, so that you can understand us before you join. So you can call the numbers given here. So I'll be taking the demo lecture, or you can join us directly from the Monday batch. All right. So today I want to talk about the verbal section. This is a complete syllabus from the verbal point of view. I'm comparing CAT versus non-CAT exam. दोनों का comparison यहाँ पे आपको दिया है. So this is the syllabus of the verbal section. All questions are based on reading. RC approximately 18 to 20 questions, and non-RC para-jumble, para-summary, odd sentence out around 7 to 8 questions, depending on 2 hours का paper or 3 hours का paper. No vocab, no grammar, no critical reasoning. But these are all coming in the non-CAT exam. In the non-CAT exam, you will find all these things. So if I look at the non-CAT, all the topics are important on this page. All topics are important from non-CAT exam point of view. But from the CAT point of view, the syllabus is only limited to this. And a lot of students are us who are very bad in accuracy in the verbal section, who are not scoring good marks in verbal, or we are literally scared of verbal. कि सर पढ़ता बहुत हो लेकिन marks नहीं आते. Fine. So पढ़ने को, because of that the confidence goes low and we stop studying. How many of you have not studied verbal section for the last 2 weeks? Some of you will be there. Yes. Maths, pura focus on maths. Now, if I look at the cutoff here, so from the from the verbal point of view, 2 hours ka paper, 3 hours ka paper, 63 marks is 21 question correct for verbal section for 99 percentile. 99.9 percentile, 99% 42 marks, 14 question correct, 95 is 33, 90 percentile is 27, 10 question, 9 question correct, 80 percentile is 21. My target for you, I will say, if you're weak in verbal, is between this. Don't over attempt and don't under attempt. Ideal is 10 question correct, not marks, not attempt correct, which is 30 marks. Fine, between 90 to 95% के बीच में score आएगा. You can do 12 also, you can do totally your wish. Otherwise 11 can also be a good number. Okay, so 11 question correct can be a very good target. So how much you scored in your 10 12th marks? Yep, how much you scored in 10 to 12th marks? If you can do 11 question correct out of 26 question as per the old pattern, as per the 2 hours ka paper, this is 42% marks. All I need from you is 42% marks, which is 95 percentile. You want to be lower than that, you can target 90 also, you can target 80 also. 80 maybe you can clear the new IMK cutoffs, but target have to be 9 or 10 or 11. So if I do 11 question correct, which is only 42% marks, fine, you are going to IIMS, SP Jain, all the top colleges. So if there's a 20 lakh ka package, yeah, divide by 11 question, this come out to be 1.81 lakh per question. So per question, one correct question of the verbal section, that's the complete syllabus from the verbal section point of view. Every one question correct is worth 1,80,000. Can you study for that? Yes. See, how to study, what to study, we will be talking about in detail. Yeah, aage jaake. But for now, this is from the motivation point of view, especially for those who are feeling bad कि नहीं हो पाएगा verbal, ये है वो है. So this is to motivate you कि भाई 1,80,000 रुपए का एक क्वेश्चन है पर करेक्ट अटेम्प्ट नहीं तो साला भाई हमारा जोश में आके सारा अटेम्प्ट करके आ गया. सर मैंने तो 26 क्वेश्चन किया था, आई एक्सपेक्टिंग 26 lakhs, 26 into 1.8 lakhs, 50 lakh का पैकेज, ये तो मेरा नेगेटिव में आया स्कोर. भाई तू अटेम्प्ट रॉन्ग करेगा तो मैं क्या करूं? दिस इज अटेम्प्ट नॉट करेक्ट. Sorry, this is a correct. Per correct question, target is 11 question correct, because verbal section always the cutoff is higher than the other two sections. Always. Because people over attempt. Because of over attempt, some of you will do question wrong, but some of you can get question right as well. So 1,80,000 is per question. That should be the motivation for you. Same way, I'm going to make the video for DLR, Quant, and the overall section as well. So if you've not yet done, please do subscribe to the channel. And in case you want to attend the demo lecture, just call the numbers given here. My team will be more than happy to help you out. All right. All the best. There are other ways to keep yourself motivated as well, which I'm covering up anyways. But today's main focus is very innovative way to look at a new way to look at the cutoffs. All right. All the best.